King Piers team out here in Kansas City getting ready to do a stone foundation renovation. Stay tuned as we put a coat of King Piers high strength concrete over these walls. Right now we're prepping the walls. We're going to go back and fill any holes, tuck point as needed, and stay tuned as we make this wall. It's going to do two things to it. We're going to coat it with concrete, which will add additional structural strength once it's dry, and it also waterproofs it. Keeps the water from infiltrating. What I tell customers is, if a crack develops, we're not pouring the bottom row of stone on this stone foundation. There's no footing. We're just putting a coat over the face of the interior face of the wall. And if there's ever a crack that develops, like over here, we did this wall a couple of years ago. Gorgeous. Little crack developed right here. And that's because this stone might have moved just a skosh. Very little causing that. And we'll just seal that with some polyurethane, let it dry, and coat it back with some white waterproofing paint. It's going to be a nice basement when he's done here. King Piers, Kansas City, 816-521-8915. You can always visit my website, kingpiers.com.